have for you my very belated Monday makeover using a chocolate bar palette, a mystery chocolate bar palette. So I did in my last Monday makeover ask if there was any chocolate bar palette that you would like me to see, or like to see me, tongue twister, like to see me do. Carry on watching to see which palette I decided to do. is my Monday makeover using my brand new Red Velvet eyeshadow palette. I was kind of hoping for the purple palette that somebody might suggest, but you didn't. You suggested this one, and I'm actually really happy that you did. This eye look is just stunningly beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. It's just, I love it. I absolutely love it. These are so my colours. So this is the beautiful packaging. We have the white chocolate here and then the red here. And then inside, I'll show you like this so you don't get the glare of the mirror. But these are all of the colours. Now, one thing I will say about this palette is, with it being called the Red Velvet, I was kind of hoping for some more reds. And they're not reds in here, they're pinks. But, you know, the packaging's red. We can go there. Maybe in the future Revolution can bring out a good red palette. If they already have, let me know in the comments down below, because I've been a little bit out of like my online shopping routine that I normally do, picking out all the new stuff recently. So I might be unaware of a palette that they've recently brought out that's got reds in it. But yeah, I was kind of hoping for more reds, but the pinks in here are stunning. I mean, it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Pinks and oranges and browns, I would never have put them together. Makeup Revolution, you're a genius with your colour stories. So there is a bright, bright pink here. I'm not sure it's coming off on screen as bright as it actually is. It's almost a neon pink for me. This colour, I was unsure of what to do with it because it was so completely out of the colour spectrum with the rest of the palette. As you can see, this is the brightest one, and then all the others are kind of more deeper tones. But this as a crease colour, wow, 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 wow. I love that colour, really, really do. And then I deepened it up with this one. So the bright colour was called Beetroot, which, fun fact, I don't like beetroot. And then the darker shade, which I darkened up the crease with, is called Infuse. And then on my lid, I used Decadent, which is this beautiful orangey bronze colour. And you'll notice in the video, I used no base for that. And look how vibrant it is. I mean, normally I will use, oh, I don't have it in my drawer anymore. That's probably why I didn't use it. But normally I will use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, just to put down a base so that it has, so the eyeshadow has something to stick onto. But I didn't need to, because my God, that is stunning. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then I deepened it up with the Red Velvet shade here, which is literally like a deep maroon shade, a little bit purpley. So I really like that on the outside edge of my eye. And then I darkened up the outer crease here with Lush. That is a gorgeous shade. When I was actually playing around pre-filming, I always have a little bit of a play around just to create an eye look first, and then I'll do the other eye on camera. And originally I was going to put Lush on the like half of my eye, but it just didn't quite meld together the whole look. So that's why I swapped it out for Red Velvet. And then because I just simply loved this shade, I put it in the outer crease, and it's just darkened up that outside corner beautifully. And oh my God, I'm in love. I'm in absolute love with this eye look. I will be revisiting all of this all over again very soon. I love it. I just absolutely love it. This cream cheese flavor, get me. This cream cheese shadow here is like just a plain white. I don't know why I'm swatching it for. I have all the swatches here. Completely forgot about that. So these are all the shades. I hope you can see. So these are all the shades that are in the palette. And they're just stunning. Like, this is that shade that's on my crease, and this is the shade that's in my outer corner. So yeah, it's just, there's just some really stunning, beautiful colors. That's the shade that's on my lid. Another shade I really like is this one, which is a much lighter colour. But oh my god, the star of the show. Almost forgot the star of the show. The shade Frosting. This one here. Oh my god, do you see that inner corner highlight? When I applied this on this side, I was like, are you freaking kidding me? That shade is to die for. I mean, look at that. Look at it. Just pow! I love it. So I want to say thank you so much to Charmed Wench. She was the one who suggested this, and I believe somebody else, and I'm so sorry, I can't remember the person who seconded Charmed Wench's choice, but thank you so much. I love this palette. Oh my goodness, it is stunning, beautiful. Oh, so happy to have this in my collection. Oh, and by the way, while I'm at it, let me just, when I put in that order, I also ordered this. So this is the I Heart Revolution Blueberry Crush Donut Palette. It's squidgy, look, it's squidgy. And this is the blue one. Look at those colours. So if you would like to see me do a Monday makeover using this palette, just let me know, because I can't wait to play with this one. I've not been able to wear makeup for a while, hence why this is late, because I had a bit of a cold sore on my lip and I didn't want to really be doing a lot of makeup while I had that. So yes, so I haven't been able to play with makeup, so I really want to play with it again. So yeah, if you want to see a Monday makeover with this, let me know. Can't wait to play with this one. So on my lips, if you're wondering, I used this Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade November. So that is what I have on my lips. And as you can see, it goes perfectly with the eyes. So yes, and I've kind of struggled to wear this one because it's a lot more pinker than the shades that I generally wear. I generally wear a more purpley sort of greyish sort of tone, and so this one being a bit more pink, it just I haven't used this very often, but these two go together very well. So happy about that. So that is it. That is my final Monday makeover for now, unless you request to see me play with this. Before you go, I just wanted to say that during this interview, it's not an interview, during this video, I used my brand new Jessup brushes. My husband bought these off Amazon. There's a whole box of them in here. I believe there was about 15, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, yeah, 15 brushes. I will have to ask him for the link, and I will try and put it for you down below. But these are amazing. They worked so well. I used this one. This one was a 228 Luxe Crease. I just kind of, I didn't show you this step, but I just used a bit of the cream cheese shade just to under my brow bone. So that's a really fluffy brush. You will see these in an upcoming video where I received these. The one that I used for my crease was a 221 Luxe Soft Crease brush, and that was for the pink, the bright pink that I used. Then I went in with a smaller crease brush. This is the 231 Luxe Petite Crease, and that just got right into that crease without going too far out. It was really good. I think especially if you have smaller eyes, this would be really good. So yeah, I used that one. And then to pat colour onto my lid, I used the 234 Luxe Smoky shader. So I just kind of used that to pat it on because it's kind of a flat brush. So flat paddle brush, which I really liked. And then for the outer side of my eye, I used a 226 smudger. Now I know this is for the lower lash line, but my eyes are kind of small, and so I thought this would be better for packing on eyeshadow at the outside corner of my eye. And then for the outer crease, just to darken that up, I used the 230 Luxe pencil, which looks just like that. And that was real nice and small, just to get into that outer corner, just to darken up that. And then underneath my eyes, I used this little tiny little brush, really small, and this is the 237 Detail shader, and I use that to go underneath my lash line. Now the brush that I normally use generally deposits an awful lot of product, and it goes kind of real low underneath my eye. This one, oh my god, I'm kind of wanting to go and order myself another set so that I have duplicates of these brushes, because my god, they're amazing. So yes, just wanted to let you know all about these beautiful brushes that I've been using. Oh my god, they're amazing. I love them. I love them so much. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. As always, hit that bell button so you'll be notified when my next video goes up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!